This is my 2002 Ford Explorer. Can't get the whole thing in a shot. I'm just going to do a little exhaust run today. So, let's start it up. I give it some gas. Alright, a little bit more maybe. Alright, never mind. Alright, but yeah. What's up, everybody? This is just a follow-up exhaust video after I got some exhaust work done. Got new headers and pipes and stuff. And it made a pretty good sound difference and performance. So I'm going to make a little video. Here you go. Alright, I'm going to go start it up. Alright, that's it.